All right, well, now if you've got 3 reactions, 3 different vials that you'd like to dry down, it's a good application for the carousel. Otherwise you're standing here and feeding this manually. There's a selection of these carousel racks. The 30 ml vials fit in here just fine, just like those. But we also have one that fits the 4 ml and also ones that fit the 16 ml vials and the 8 ml vials as well. So just order whatever size vial you need to order the right size carousel. So these just simply snap in. There's a pin right here, and there's a hole that lines up, and then these 3 pins fit in these 3 keyholes here. So once everything is down, you simply turn it and lock it into place. And at this point, you want to go into maintenance and initialize carousel. And what that do is I'll start spinning this and it just locates itself to be sure it's all functioning properly. It's also checking to be sure that it's moving freely and homing the carousel for us. Now what I want to do is these are some reaction products that I've collected. I want to dry them down and I want to replace the solvent with my carrier solvent. Go ahead and you just load the vials into the carousel. And you start with position, you'll see the letters here, position A, B, and C. And make sure they're all level across the top. The A vial kind of sits in midair here, so just kind of line the tops up so that it's even. Okay, these are in methanol, so I'm going to go ahead like we did before. Look at my little cheater card here and see that methanol is best to use the volatile method. And then the vial size, these are 20 ml vials. And they're pre-filled vials. Also, where it says carousel mode, I'm going to say I'm going to hit all vials. All right. Also, I want to use redissolve at this point. And my vial size is 20, and I'm going to dissolve them back into 2 mils in carousel mode with all vials. We've set this up. We're using the carousel to dry down the material, but we've also activated the redissolve after feature. So not only are we going to create dried vials, we're going to add back some solvent. Okay, so the spinning is shut down and we're equalizing pressure. You can see that we're adding solvent to the vial right now. And because most of our dried material is up on the sides, like on this vial here, we need to rinse that down. So what's going to happen first is we're going to add some solvent and then we're going to spin the vial up. There it goes. We've programmed it to spin it up 5 times, and what we're doing is we're redissolving the material off the side. This is very nice if you've got a whole bunch of samples that you have dissolved in one solvent and you want to take them on to the next step, whether that's storage or the next step in your reaction in a different solvent, and this will do that all for you completely automatically. So it's unloading the vial now. That's our first vial. And it will go ahead and inject the second vial here. Carousel's coming over. This is fully automated. Just simply use the user interface as it is. Now it's going to go ahead and start dissolving, evaporating the second vial. So now once this is all complete, I have all my vials redissolved in my new solvent, and I can take them on, cap them, and move on to the next step.